out. Shades and you know the vibes. Dome man, blue cheese and we inside. Real low, yeah, we slipping like a riptide. Gotta get it. Pink pills, drop through the trap door. Back room, red ropes, there's a little more. Cheap thrills, I got what you're looking for. Gotta get it. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before.
Come get real close, let me show you something.
You ain't seen nothing like this before.
Let me show you something. Come get real close, let me show you something. Come get real close, let me show you something. Come get real close.
Tell me something when the rain falls on my face. How do you quickly replace it with...
Siguro feeling ko dinala siya ni Lord sa akin. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung bakit siya binigay ni Lord.
From LA to Singapore to Hong Kong to Paris and to the Philippines, maniga.
Feeling tired and afraid.
Well, si Lucille, I think it was God purpose. I am well-deserved to be his husband. Iba yung care sa family, iba yung pagmamahal na binigay niya sa akin, and I owe her a lot.
I love you, Daddy. Joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe.
Kahit lagi kami nag-aaway, kaya niya akong pasayahin, kaya niya akong patawanin. Although kahit di niya mabigay everything sa akin, alam ko, happy ako for him.
Thank you for bringing my gift. This gift signifies that time is precious, time is gold. That this time, my time with you is much more value. Thank you, I love you.
Wow. Tell me something when I'm about to lose control. How do you patient?
Oo naman, pipiliin ko pa rin naman siya. Kahit masakit sa ulo siya lagi.
And gently calm me down.
Bigas, masakit.
Wow!
Well, tell me something when you sing and
Here's my gift for you. Sana wag mo sirain or iwala. Low-key phone lang yan. Pero alam mo, bet na bet mo dahil in-endorse ni Kong TV. Yun, isang gift ko is for you to feel the presence ng mami. Alam ko, she's happy for you, for us in this moment.
I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe.
Daddy, ito na yung araw na akala ko hindi mangyayari, pero God knows how much I prayed for this day. And I'm really thankful for that. Ikaw yung binigay ni Lord sa akin kasi naniniwala ko na God always has a purpose for everything.
Stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one.
Ito na yung moment na pinakakahintay nga natin, or mo. And so, the love story nga natin is, yun nga, we were really hot and spicy back then. Much more we explore one another. The experience was so intense, masyadong mainit, super flame. Dahil nga yung landian, nandun na nga, until we were lucky that we were blessed by Rhea and Sia.
You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be.
Alam mo yun, nawalan ka ng nanay. Nakakala mo, magpapatuloy ka pang mabuhay sa mundo. Walang mag-aalaga na sa'yo. Para din sa'yo itong araw na to, for the kids.
Para rin sa isang kumpletong pamilya. I've been in a broken family for almost 2011.
Maraming salamat at ikaw naging ama ko. Kinaya mo pa rin makapaglakad sa aking altar para sa ating kasal, sa aking kasal, para ano, diba ka paring ano. I think I would be the luckiest, blessed na lalaki nga to have her kasi nga sobrang Maria, sobrang maka-sister, sobrang maka-Diyos. Yun ang nakita ko kung bakit ako nagbago talaga. And yun yung hinahanap ko. Even without, I don't have a mother, nandun na siya sa tabi ko lagi.
Through the stars, I know we've come so far.
Sobrang thankful ako. Thank you, Daddy. Kasi sa lahat ng nangyari sa buhay natin, alam ko mahirap. You stay pa rin. Alam ko marami tayong pinagdaanan. Hindi naging madali lahat. Kaya ngayon nga lang tayo nakapagpakasal.
To hold me tight through the night and feel your warmth, 'cause I know I'll be alright.
Tayong dalawa ay magpaparayaan, mag-uunawaan, magbibigayan, magpapasensyahan, magpapatawaran. Yun yung buhay na mag-asawa. At pag yun yung ginawa ninyo, magiging maligaya kayo.
This day, in front of our Lord and loved ones, sasabihin kong mahal kita. Thank you for everything kahit lagi mo pinapainit yung ulo ko. Alam ko kung gaano mo ako kamahal and nakikita ko ang lahat ng
'Cause you are the one that keeps me alive. You are the one that I love. I need you to hold me tight through the nights and feel your warmth, 'cause I know I'll be alright.
At kaming lahat na nandirito ay magdadasal para sa inyo na ang inyong pag-asamang ito, ang inyong kasal na ito ay maging isang pagmamahalan na punong-puno ng biyaya ng Diyos. Lahat ng iyong mangyayari dahil gagawa ang Diyos at gagawa kayo para sa isa't isa.
In your arms.
Sa sinabi nga nila, Father, sa atin, na huwag natin kakalimutan ng Panginoon muna, na siya lang tutulong at mag-uunawa sa atin through ups and downs. God bless us always. And I love you, Mami, Chil, and your husband, Daddy.
I feel love.
I look forward of a lifetime of laughter, love, and growing old together. Mahal na mahal kita.
Hold me tight now, baby.